Hello traders, welcome to the live stream. Am I audible to you? Just let me know. Okay, Paul Samuel sir, thanks for confirming. Train Short Factory, welcome. Welcome everyone to the live stream. Quickly, I will just discuss with you what I have analyzed in the market. As of now, we can see in recent time, market has been forming higher lows, higher highs, and it is moving towards the upside. It has formed a double top here. Here we can see some correction. Now, the way how we are looking at the market is based on price action and stop loss hunting. As of now, third time, this trend line is acting as supporting zone. Market is showing some movement. But we know this is a symmetric pattern where market is expected to trade between this upper range and lower range. Here, if it gives a breakdown, sometimes market can trap people and move towards the upside. So this is an area where we need to be very careful about. At the same time, market has been respecting this trend line, resistance, resistance, resistance. So if the upper range, if market creates liquidity and gives a breakout, then there is a possibility of upside movement continuation. So this is a very crucial range in the market. So US market, let's say around 7 o'clock, depending on what kind of movement it does within this range, we will decide. On a 15 minutes time frame, I'm showing this chart to you so that things can be more clear. Candles are more clear for you. But please mark these levels on your chart. Now I'll just switch to 3 minutes time frame. 6 o'clock, quickly there was a spike in the market where it removed some random people, right? But it did not break this previous high level. So still there might be some people sitting on top, okay, because it's not hunted there, or it can be these sellers are continuously putting pressure. Everything we will get to know when markets comes out of this upper range or lower range. Hope my view is clear for you. In the comment section, just let me know. Srinivas sir, hello, good evening. Lakshmi sir, welcome to the live stream. Shinglamoy, good evening, welcome. 47 people watching the live stream. Only 11 likes. Please support the channel by liking the video. 6 o'clock yesterday also there was some kind of news. Again today there is news. These news based candles really create problems in the market for us. Now if I consider this area as seller pressure zone, if I mark the Fibonacci level, market is respecting 382 level. I'm not that sure how much chances it has to make a movement of 1200 points, because I'm expecting this to be the next buying pressure zone. So we will see. If I plan for a short position also, risk reward is setting properly, but the problem is the immediate spike. What happens at 7 o'clock, 7:05. So that we will wait for some time. Let's not randomly take any trades. And global market, if I see Dow Jones, as of now we have the data. Still S&P 500, Nasdaq, we need the data. We will see what is the sentiment. To a certain extent, in Bitcoin, they are trying to hold on because the inflation data was lower than expected. So that is a positive news for the market. But at the same time, recently what I could notice is in Ethereum, many people have lost some money, right? From 11th, from this date, from 2021-20, it has gone to 1800. Many people keep taking leverage and trading, right? So in case they have not closed their position on time, they might have got got into trouble there. So that's why I keep always saying, manage your risk. Make sure your risk for your trade, you don't take too much leverage more than your capacity. That's why, to make that as a practice itself, whenever I come live also, I would not suggest anyone to take 100x, 200x, all these leverages. So I've not read any comments. I'll read everything one by one. Vaishnav, thank you, sir, for liking the live stream. Good evening. Hope you're doing well. Uh, Sheila, ma'am, thank you so much. Good evening. Hope even you're doing well. Sunny Sanvi, good evening. Sheila Muthu, thank you so much for liking the live stream. Support the channel, traders. Now, like I said earlier, this is a symmetric pattern range. Market has been just consolidating within this area. Now, near this area itself, market is quickly moving towards the upside rate. So we need to wait and see how strong is these sellers. Are they really going to put pressure? Randomly, I cannot enter a bearish trade. Sometimes that spike move, whatever comes, we might end up in trap. So just waiting for a while to see if there is any confirmation. Quickly we will plan a trade in case there is any interesting setup. Consolidation, just consider this upper range and lower range. So in between, when you are entering bullish side also, stop loss is more. If you are entering bearish side also, stop loss is more. So since market is in indecision range within this box, it is better that we wait for some more time. Dushan sir, good evening. Kasi Armugam sir, welcome to the live stream. Good evening. Jay Patel sir, Ganesh Arvind sir, welcome to the live stream. Welcome everyone. Don't 52 people are watching the live stream. I'm trying my best to explain my view about the market. If you're enjoying the content, making use of the live market update, support the channel by liking the video. That will help the YouTube algorithm. As much as possible, I don't want to make my videos in Hindi because there are many Hindi channels. I just want to speak in English so that it also supports people in the South also, right? So time is 6:59. We'll give little more time and see what the market has decided to do. Happy Holi to all. Advance happy Holi. Now, Holi is tomorrow, one day before something comes, right? What do they call that in Hindi? I'm not sure. Ganesh Arvind sir, thank you. Thank you for liking the live stream. Rang Panchami. I'm not asking what is Holi called as. One day before Holi, what does it come? In our regional language, they call it as bogi and things like that. In Hindi, what they call, I'm not sure. Where they burn everything. Sunny Sanvi sir, thank you so much for liking the live stream. Holika Dahan. So do we really have to pay 30% tax for this? No. In this, all the tax will be just like how you pay for Nifty and Bank Nifty trading. All right? Because you're not buying BTC, you're just trading in the instrument. Only when you own BTC for investment perspective, you have to pay 30% tax. So that is one thing. Market is respecting 382 level. Simply we will just put the Fibonacci levels in case we get entry on the risk reward calculator, and we will see if I want to enter a short position, is it making sense or not. Okay. Entry might be somewhere here. These people might re-enter somewhere here. Like this, any setup is there, I will just see. Okay, as of now I've not planned anything, just observation. This, will they hold on to the market near the upper zone? Any range? They're saying, showing some buying pressure. I'll just want to see how much selling or buyer's pressure is there at the zone. That's why I kept my risk reward here. Global market, nothing as of now. We'll go back to this. If I enter here, if I enter, risk reward is not sitting properly for me. I mean the current level. I have to reduce my risk up to this zone. This can be still 50% chances there, traders, in case I take bearish at the current zone. At the upper level, if I get little more fair price value, I will get for my entry. What to do this setup? I've not decided anything. We will wait for little more. So market is just holding on. Just trading within this range. What is your view about the market? Just let me know in the comment section. Shinglamoy sir, thank you so much for the like. Logan P50, good evening. Chandru sir, hi, good evening. Welcome to the live stream. Market is consolidating within a range, so I feel there is a possibility of upside move later correction. So if I enter trade based on this, after hitting my stop loss, if market corrects, it will be a problem for me. That's the only reason I have not taken this. And also recently this area has been the supporting area for the market. So I've shown it in on a 15 minutes time frame. You see this support here near the support, market is showing some bullishness. This has been a symmetric pattern range. So only if there is strong sellers pressure or anything as such from the upper level, I'm thinking to consider. I'm able to take 2 small short today because it had been trading within the range that you have marked since morning. Okay. Hi sir, could you please tell me how to use Fibonacci retracement? What are the levels we are focusing at? 0.5618. So either it is uptrend or downtrend. See, it depends on where the market is. Usually if sellers are very strong, they might not allow the market to go too high, right? Sometimes they might allow only to hunt any random people who have entered the trade. But here the strong candle has formed, right? I'm not sure how many people have exited. Now, how do you draw the Fibonacci levels? From recent swing high to swing low, if you draw the Fibonacci level, market to a certain extent has corrected close to 50%. This is a decent correction, I agree. but it is just trading within a range, right, within this supporting zone. So I'm not considering. Not just based on Fibonacci level we cannot enter, we have to see what kind of continuation market is doing. Is it favorable for us? All of these factors we need to take into consideration. And here you can see market held on to 50% correction, moved towards the upside. Again, let's say here again it is at 618 level range, 786 level range. So still buyers have not given up in the market for us to consider any bearish trade. Of course, I can say just based on Fibonacci, if I have to enter, I should have entered the trade already. But I also include price action, stop loss hunting, so little more waiting is required. It's around 500 points risk. Any interesting data here? It's though bearish to flat. Nasdaq, S&P 500 also kind of flat. In case market at this point of time, if it comes down to test this level, then it has potential of reaching up to this zone, buyer's pressure zone, and later move towards the upside. If that is the case, if I think about entering now, I should not be basically taking too much risk for this trade. Okay, so this should be the risk. This area should be my target. This is somewhat I have to consider to plan. Still, it is not showing any confirmation. It is just holding on within this range. That's the concern. Should I consider this as strong bearishness or not? Little doubt I have. If it moves, it will move quickly. If I don't have to miss out on opportunity, what I will do, 500 points. It is moving, but I'm not getting that conviction. Is it really going to go down or not? Conviction I'm not getting. If I have to place my stop loss, definitely I have to give up to 600, 650 points. They're showing some strong bearishness. Can I reduce the stop loss? No, I cannot. It has to be here. Risk reward is not sitting properly for me for this trade. Okay. If risk reward is not sitting, then I have to change my capital and try to capture a small moment. So 600 points. I'm not getting conviction, traders. Based on price action, stop loss hunting, I'm not getting the conviction. It is just in a range. It's not about giving the money. It is just that how much convinced I am. If I'm at least 60-70% convinced, definitely I would enter. Something is not right here. Great analysis. Okay, if it goes above 50%, then correction means where we need to focus. Focus somewhere near 618, 786 level. It completely depends on the sellers who's on top, how strong they are, right? If that seller doesn't want to push them, wants to push the market towards the downside, only then there is a high possibility of Fibonacci levels to work. Okay, so we need to have, while observing the chart, we need to see how convinced is this seller to push the market towards the downside. So, and also we should see if market moves, how much stop loss hunting can it do. In this case, if market breaks off this level very strongly, okay, very strongly, if it breaks, this is the buying pressure zone. I'm saying slowly if it moves down, okay, but quickly if it breaks, then these sellers want to push the market towards the upside. After the pullback, it can next go to target people at the zone also. Bigger movement we can target, just like yesterday, day before yesterday, we did not exit at the support levels, right? We targeted more. So to do that, we need to get some kind of conviction, confirmation, things like that. I'm not getting conviction here to enter. I don't find any stop loss hunting at the bottom. Hope market moves up. If there was no this candle, right? If there was no this candle, then mostly already I would have focused on buying trade at this zone. Okay. But since this wick has cleared some weak players, market is holding on to this range. That is my only concern. So at the upper level, I want to see if these sellers will push the market again towards the downside. That is the only thing which I want to do right now. If they are not, buyers are not giving up at the zone, they're pushing the market towards the upside, then I will change my mind, I will change my focus. All right. Now you see, I have not entered yet. The problem is this box. Should come out of this box and see if sellers are putting pressure from the top, or if it's coming down at this buying pressure zone, buyers are putting pressure. Based on that only I can decide. In this box, which side should I take the trade? Doesn't make sense. Can you explain the long wick? Someone was saying there was some news. Okay, based on that news, the wick was formed. So little more pullback. Any conviction? Some people quickly they want to jump into the trade. What is the range? 700 points for risk. We'll see traders. When market is just trading in a symmetric pattern, sorry, a sideways range, maybe you can consider this area, this area. Market is trading within this range means which direction should I choose? I should get some kind of conviction to enter, right? In between to enter, not that convincing. PPI data has come out because of that, sir is saying. I did not see. Better to wait for some time, I think. I don't find any stop loss hunting at bottom. Okay. This though is moving up to this area. Where is the continuation candle? Not getting the continuation candle here. In case it goes below this, I'll reduce the stop losses and attempt one trade. If it is surviving here, I'll just keep quiet. Yeah, sorry, my question wasn't clear. What I say was the market shot up 6 and immediately get pulled down because of inflation report, I guess. I just wanted to know what that candle signifies. This candle signifies that from top there is sellers pressure, right? Sellers want to push the market. Maybe sellers have re-entered here. There is that possibility. So again here you can see any strong candle, if I get it will be a bit more convincing. Okay, what I will do is the trend line is support. Little more I will wait. Let this become some kind of, let's say, double bottom setup. Let it attract some people. Later any bearishness I will see. If it is very strong, it will break off this level and show continuation. That time I'll miss out on opportunity. That is what it is trying to do now. Now traders, where the market is, it is at right now at this symmetric pattern support range, right? This is a strong candle, I agree, and this one is the supporting range. Market has held on to this range. Now we will see if buyers are trying to show some pressure in the market at this zone or not. Okay, buyers are showing some kind of pressure, not too much. So let's say a retracement up to the zone. Okay, so I'm just going to place one entry because continuation is happening, and here I'll fix my stop loss for the trade. I don't want to basically give too much stop loss for this trade, only because of the bearishness continuation. I have looked into this opportunity as much as possible. I want to keep trailing my stop loss for this trade once I come to that comfort zone, of course. This breakdown can be also a trap. That's why very big risk I don't want to take. Small risk. If it sustains, it sustains. If not, no, I will exit. You're explaining very clearly, sir. Thank you. All right, you're welcome. Happy to know that things are understood clearly. The problem here is traders usually in some whatever price action, first time, second time, third time, market usually respects that zone. Okay, only fourth time, fifth time on and all this level becomes weak and market will break that level. In this case, how many times market has respected that level? If you see, this is the first time, this is the second time, this is the third time. So still buyers might have some pressure here. That's why too much of risk and all those things I don't want to take in this particular trade, only because there was continuous sellers pressure from top, something we will see. I want to trail my stop loss as much as possible in this trade. Only some solid movement if I get, that would be beneficial. Okay, this is an important zone which I have highlighted. 15 minutes time frame, please see this. This price range is important. If buyers give up in this range, then my bearish setup will work nicely. If buyers do not give up, my bearish trade will end up in trouble. What's the global market doing? Nothing much from its opening. How much are we actually targeting? 600 to 700 points is what I'm targeting in this particular trade. Suresh Kurma, sir, good evening. Welcome to the live stream. This was 800 points. At that time, even though my view was bearish, I did not enter so much because of market was just staying within this range, so not having so much conviction. In this also, I have only 50% conviction. I don't want to take too much risk, so I've reduced my risk for this particular trade. So anyways, I have to target for 1:1.5 at least minimum. Usually I prefer 1:2, but quickly I will try to reduce my stop loss because of this continuous move. Market did not attract any buyers here, so I decided, okay, let me plan this trade. Little stop loss I will reduce. Like I said, this is the buyer's pressure zone. I'm not sure how strong the buyers are at this zone, so too much risk I'm not going to take. I'm going to reduce my stop loss as and when market keeps moving lower. When I'm very much convinced, I just leave the stop loss as it is. You guys would have seen. But sometimes when conviction is low, as much as possible, risk we need to keep reducing. Hi sir, from Shanmuga Sundaram from Chennai. Hello Shanmuga Sundaram. Shanmuga Sundaram sir, welcome to the live stream. See traders, this is ideally buying pressure zone. I know market is going as per our view, but I'm saying right, I'm not that much convinced. I have to reduce my risk as much as possible for this trade. If bearishness happens, continuation happens, okay, I want to capture that move, no doubt. But keep trailing, reduce the risk. As of now, you see for this trade, from $30, I've reduced it to $15. That's the maximum risk I want to take for this particular setup, because this entire zone is buyer's pressure zone. Only after market, how it reacts at the zone, I will get to know if there is buyer pressure or not, right? If movement is going as per the view, just happily keep trailing and the stop loss. I don't know when sudden spike also will come, but we will just manage and go. Be bit positive about the setup. Kar- Karthik from Singapore, like done. Thank you so much, sir. Whoever has entered along with me, trail your stop loss as much as possible. Okay. At some point of time, if it comes off to this range, I want to get my stop loss to cost. That's my ultimate goal right now. Around 68 people watching the live stream, only 45 likes. Come on traders, support the channel by liking the video. It motivates me to make regular videos for you guys like this. Well, withdrawal of amount will take too long in Delta Exchange. For me, usually within 1 hour I get the money. It's very rare case where it has taken more than 1 day, but let's say I've withdrawn more than 40 to 50 times. In that, only once or twice withdrawal have taken 48 hours. Rest of the time it is fine. This continuous seller pressure is coming, it is good. We have captured a movement of 500, 600, close to 550 points. All those things are good, but be a bit careful at the zone traders. Okay. Nasdaq has gone 1.3% down. Good for us. Bala Saravanan sir, thank you for liking the video. If you have not liked the video, then please do that. Almost there, near the target. Thanks sir, got $25, less than 15 minutes done for the trade. Okay, good. This though we will see. I know there's the buying pressure zone. Okay, already I'm telling you this entire zone, but continuous sellers are putting pressure. I don't know if they're removing weak players. See, for example, I'm saying here breakdown, here breakdown. Later from here, will it reverse or not? That I don't know. Okay, but whoever wants to exit the trade because of this closer to the target, you do that. But I don't want to take multiple trades, so I'm going to change my target. Okay, my target is going to be this low, and my risk is just $15 for this trade. Whoever wants to hold on with me, you can do that. If you want to exit now, you can do that. Or at this level you want to exit, you do that. But let me tell you, this is buying pressure zone. From here reversal, anything happens, my setup will spoil. But all those things I have factored in. I have nothing to lose here. It's just $15. What is the current status of your trade? Guys, let me know. From the time we have entered, market has given a movement of close to 580 points. So what about pivot points? It's near support 1. I don't use pivot points. I've not tested that much. So this is target 1. Okay, I'll mention of that. There is some pressure here. Hopefully a strong candle breaks the zone. See, like I'm saying, this is a buying pressure zone. You want to exit, you exit. You want to hold, you hold. I have reduced my stop loss to just $15. So if I lose this trade also, I'm okay with that. I'm just going to leave it as it is. Moved SL to profit. Sir, still trailing. Okay. Existing trade, let me manage, because one more setup again, if I have to take entry again, I have to pay brokerage, all those things and all. Why all those headache? Existing trade I will manage and go. Moved SL to profit, that okay. I am also cost to cost, sir. I can wait. Okay, for me little above cost to cost, that is like cost to cost only for me. Any strong reversal we will book stop loss. Already I have kept the stop loss. I'll give that stop loss and go, traders. I don't want to break my head for one more trade. Oh, hopefully one more strong candle. If it goes above, below, I mean 81,200 range, that would be very convincing for me. It is just, I'm saying no buying pressure zone. It is just holding on within that range. It's creating some pressure both the side. Satya Classic, you're late. Good evening. Welcome to the live stream, sir. Welcome. This is holding on to the upper level. See, there's a kind of strong green candle. I've told you this is the buying pressure zone. Anything can happen here. Vijay sir, welcome. Welcome to the live stream. Global market, though, from 1.6 it has come to 1.1. Hey brother, good evening. Good evening. I don't know how to pronounce your name. Sai Aris. Here only I was thinking to enter, but since too much conviction I did not get near this box, I just left it as it is. Or else around another 800 points additionally we would have captured. So you said that someone else was not feeling well in your family. I hope she is well. My mom is not keeping well, traders. That is what. Yeah, we are giving the treatment. She's kind of feeling better than yesterday. Thanks for asking, sir. This entire zone is buying pressure zone, like I said. I don't know what buyers have decided to do. Sir, I pray for her. She will get well soon. Thank you. Thank you so much. Everyone, be careful with the water that you drink. A lot of people are getting typhoid, right? So take care. Venkataraman sir, thank you. Welcome to the live stream. Good to have you. This though in buyer's pressure zone, it is just showing bullishness. Hopefully, no conviction as long as market breaks this area. I had informed people to exit here if whoever wanted. Whoever is holding, maybe cost to cost you're keeping. Even mine is somewhere here itself. So reasonable stop loss I have given. So today I opened Delta Exchange account with your link. Will I get access to crypto course? Yeah, sir, you will be given access, free access to our crypto community group. Okay. In that you click on the pinned comment, you'll get access to the course. You can watch all the videos. Okay. But share the Delta Exchange user ID with us. We'll have a look. Watching your live has been a routine for me, so okay, good, glad. If you're watching it regularly, hopefully it's you're making use of it. See this red candle, whatever is formed, still I have no conviction on this candle, right? It has to go below this area. Like I said, 81,200 range. When it goes there, maybe I will have more conviction that market will achieve such a big target. Initially our target was here. I just extended it. Why I'm not convinced if this candle, because this green candle is formed along with that this candle. This everything is happening near the buying pressure zone itself. It has to come out of the buying pressure zone. Our prayers with you, sir. Thank you so much, Lakshmi Babu, sir. As expected here, buyers are showing pressure, right? From that time, I'm saying this is the buying pressure zone, this is the buying pressure zone. Buyers are showing pressure, they're trying to hold on the market. Since risk is small, I've just left it as it is. Even if it hits the stop loss, I don't want to take too much tension, at least today. If it goes as per the view, good. So from 1.3, it has come down to 1% lower. US market is slightly trying to recover the down move what it did. Might boost up BTC also a bit. No, bro, I do crypto. I don't do crypto as of now, only on Nifty's. Since huge volatility is challenging for me to handle. Hope I trade in the future in crypto. You don't have to, as long as you're not comfortable, you don't have to trade. But the concept what we discuss here, price action, stop loss hunting, you can use the same concept in your trades as well, right? In Nifty, Bank Nifty also many concept what I discuss, all the setup what I say. Though I'm not sure how many of you are following the free telegram. I had said this setup, right? First I had this view at the zone. I said okay, market is kind of this one, book half profit. Here setup failed. Later, since selling pressure was there, market will come to the zone and later correct. Here you can see market came to the zone, it corrected. Later it was close to already this time it was around close to 1 o'clock. After that I had no interest in looking at the market. Whatever update I wanted to share, I shared. How am I discussing all that? Everything is based on price action and stop loss hunting concept itself. So you can follow free telegram channel, you can watch this live stream. All of those things can be useful for you. Good evening. So I have joined through your link and I'm your previous student with other courses. I also want access to crypto course. Sure, sir. Send me a WhatsApp message. Market as of now, this is the buyer's zone. Okay. Let me clarify this first. This is buyer zone. I'm still holding on to the trade because I want to capture bigger movement. I don't want to exit. That's why whoever wanted to exit, they could have exited. For me, risk is just $15 in this trade. I'm okay to take that risk. So for me, nothing to worry. That's why I have told many people get it to cost. So this becomes a risk-free trade. Now someone was asking me about crypto community group. Open account with Delta Exchange. The link is there in the pinned comment. You just send a WhatsApp message to this number, okay, with your Delta Exchange user ID. My team will look into that and we will give you access, okay. Within the next live stream I will give access, okay. Send a WhatsApp message to this number with Delta Exchange user ID. Now some of you might ask me, can I take a bearish trade here? It is very difficult because this is buying pressure zone, okay. Market is holding on to the buying pressure zone. It is testing, it is trying to form lower high lower low, so chances becomes 50-50%. Since I've already entered, my stop loss is reasonable, entry is here, so nothing for me to worry about. Traders, I'm getting an important phone call. Just give me a second. I'm saying this is the buying pressure zone. Market can move up from here. Since my risk is small, I'm just leaving the trade as it is. Okay. Whoever entered along with me, if you're worried, you can close or manage your risk accordingly. We don't have to give too much risk for this trade. Okay. An important phone call I have to make. Just give me a second. Okay. Just to make it clear. For me, maximum what? Okay, market gave a breakdown, strong candles. It went for a retest. From here, is it correcting? Little above it's going. Okay, if it is correcting, fine. I'll accept this. Or if it hits the stop loss, I'll accept that. Right? That's all I can do in this current trade. I have nothing to lose. Risk is just $11 for this trade. If you want, this target also I will update. Okay, this is the target. This is the buying pressure zone. Anyone who's interested in bullish trade, okay, market is holding on to this range. Scalping, you know scalping, right? If you want to capture a scalping movement, you can try on the buy side. So you have to keep trailing your stop loss and going. That's how scalping works. Only if you know scalping, you try that. If not, leave it as it is. My existing trade, whatever it is, I will just manage. Sir, in option chain sometimes call moves faster than the other side. Does that mean, can you give some clarity on that? See, if call side, if it is moving, you need to see which strike price. Okay, for example, um, usually option chain data has to be looked into as option seller's point of view, right? Whichever call option is trading at a higher value, you can consider that area to be a resistance. Whichever put option is trading at a higher value, you need to consider that area as support. So always we need to look at option chain data in only option seller's point of view, not option buyers. Okay, that is one thing. So to answer your question, whichever strike price is trading at a higher value, anyone who did scalping, good trail. Exactly, from buying pressure zone only market is reversed. Only hope is this breakdown, retest, and then continuation if it's happening good. But this is a buying pressure zone. Buyers are trying to hold this level. Chances might be slight. Today, because of my internet issue, I missed a trade. Missed a good trade and got frustrated and emotional because of that. I made a mistake and made loss. So can you tell me any mindset tips you practice? See, in frustration, if you take trade, what to do? Only like you do one challenge to yourself that you fix a rules for 30 days, you stick to that rules and you'll strictly follow that, right? Now traders, exactly from the buying pressure zone, like I said earlier, I thought of planning my exit here, but I extended based on the seller's pressure. Now market has come to the stop loss. Since the stop loss is nothing for me, I'm just leaving it as it is. Market is trying to be continuously bullish near the buying pressure zone. Like I said, anyone who is interested in scalping, they can try. So that is all I can say about this particular trade. Here I don't consider around $11 is what I've lost in this trade. That is nothing. This is the buying pressure zone. Okay, like I said, market has come out. So whoever is interested in bullish trade, you can just try scalping, right? So that is the only opportunity in the market as of now, because the buying pressure zone has been respected. Okay, what is the buying pressure zone? It is 81,400 to 82,200. I know this is a big range, but market has come out of this buying pressure zone range, right? So try to manage your risk. Again, if the sellers are strong somewhere at the zone or somewhere here, they might try to push. But since very strongly it has come, wait for any pullback. Again, if it corrects, then again upside move, try to capture this moment. Okay. As of now, my setup is done and close to 1 hour live stream is done. I have to make 1 or 2 phone calls also. I just wanted to plan one trade. That's why I did not exit the trade. Anyways, whoever entered along with me, cost to cost, whoever has kept, this is going to be a no profit, no loss trade. Whoever booked the profit at, some people said you booked the profit when market moved like this, right? Good for you. Okay, traders, thank you for participating in the live stream. I'm not having that mindset to go live or continue the live for another 1 or 2 hours. So we will see. Again, this trend line market is respecting. Whoever has taken scalping trade, in case market is coming and hitting your scalping, you have to be very quick, right? So any small stop loss what you keep, if market hits, do not plan again. Okay, if it is not hitting your stop loss, it is holding on to the upper level, then try to this one. What you can try to judge is by the series of candles. These two series candles are strong. Market is trying to hold these two candles. As long as these candles and all market breaks, still the market can hold the upper level. It has potential to move. Take that into consideration, because at the important buyer's pressure zone you have got this movement. Okay, so that's the view. I don't want to stay in the market for long. Thank you everyone for participating in the live stream. Happy Holi in advance to everyone who's celebrating the festival. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Okay, sir. Thank you everyone. Bye bye. Near the buying pressure zone, please don't plan for any bearish trade as of now. Okay.